Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. And when I say guys, I'm referring to the females and anyone else that tunes in. We're going to be doing an energy drink review here. Well, it's one I've had before, but this is kind of like a different version. But just a heads up. Last night I started feeling a little like sick or something going to bed. Like you could tell something was starting. And I still feel it a bit today. And I'll admit, I did a tiny little puke in this sink at one point. But anyways, we have an energy drink here. I have to go to one of the nearby towns to this one store to get. So it's a store I can't, always easily get to. And this energy drink, right? I've not seen it anywhere else before. It's one that comes from Charlotte, North Carolina. Now, I always thought that I'd maybe been there before, but I don't think I've been to Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm getting that confused with Charleston, I think, because I haven't been to all the parts of North and South Carolina before, but I have been to some. So maybe when I was out in the Carolinas, this didn't exist yet, because it might have been 2008 that they created it. I don't really 100% know. Now, we know with Rockstar, the sugar-free version, the white can, it's not a sugar-free version of the original Rockstar, because it's like a vanilla berry flavor. Well, this is a sugar-free drink, but it's supposed to, as far as I understand, be the same thing as the original, just without the sugar. Because this version has a lot less calories. I actually I've only had the sugar can, the version with the sugar once, because like I said, can't easily get to that store. I haven't seen it anywhere else. And yeah, they're still saying they're $1.99, but regularly $2.99. So I don't know if they're ever changing their price. Or they say 3 for 2. But the last 2 times I went there, I got a sugar-free version, and I thought, I'll pick up another sugar version. Because just within the last month and this month, I was lucky enough to get there 2 times. We're talking the Wave energy drink. See, in the sugar version you get 300 calories. In the sugar-free version you're only getting 20. The carbohydrates are like 24%. But in carbohydrates for this drink, there's only 1 gram. That equals 0. So you're only getting like 1 or 2 grams because you have to add it for the 2 servings. So you'll have no sugar, you'll have less calories and less carbohydrates. Now the Proprietary blends 1.14 grams for taurine, caffeine, inositol, L-lysine or something, and some other chemically named thing, and then guarana. In this energy drink, you get carbonated water, citric acid, sodium benzoate, natural flavor, black carrot juice concentrate, elderberry extract concentrate, woo! Aspartame, boo! Some potassium stuff, purple sweet potato juice extract. There's red cabbage juice in here and a bunch of like the chemicals and stuff. They give you vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and B12. B1 is B1's like about 30%. B2, half the can's almost 90%. B3 is almost 100% for half the can. B6, they give you 240% for half the can. B12 gives you 48% for half the can, and B5 gives you 48% for half the can. So, whatever. Wave energy is a natural phenomenon. Wave is made using wholesome, all-natural flavors and has the taste to prove it. Fight off the undertow of exhaustion with a long-lasting energy boost from Wave. TasteTheWave.com. Don't trash the waves. Not recommended for pregnant women or persons sensitive to caffeine. Lightly carbonated, served chilled. Under the authority of Wave Energy Drink out in Charlotte, North Carolina. Lightly carbonated. Whoa, shit, wrong time. Let's get this review going. Wave Energy! The sugar-free 16-ounce version. Canada stores! Woo! Sorry, guys, but fuck yeah!
It's Canada 1, France 0.
Oh yeah! Fuck yeah! If you're going for Canada, you would be fucking happy too. Yes, but we gotta get this energy drink review going. Yes! 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 Goal! I'm happy. If Canada wins, they they get like bronze or something. But lightly blue for the color tab. The sugar version has the stronger color, the darker blue color.
Schmidt in the box, great composure. It takes a deflection off the...
Yay! It's in like the second half, so a lot of the game's over. Anyways, let's do these reviews, sorry. It's been months since I've had the sugared version, and I never had the sugar-free version before. Oh yeah, it smells good. Cheers. Look at that, folks. I think I read or heard months and months ago that the caffeine in here is only supposed to be like the generic style of caffeine, which would be 80 milligrams. But this is what the sugar-free wave looks like. Smell-wise. Smell-wise, it smells... How do I say? It smells juicy and like fruity and a little vegetable-y kind of. It almost smells kind of like some fruit or juice mixed with like a generic energy drink thing. So let's try it out. You know what? It tastes like the ingredients that are in it, like the elderberry, and it tastes a little bit carroty and blueberry-ish, or potato-ish or something. Basically, I always think of these kind of like a generic energy drinks, trying to be kind of like a vegetable cocktail drink, but way better than like what V8 would be, because that stuff smells bad to me. But yeah, I would prefer it obviously with the sugar, even though I would wish there was a version that had like the stevia plant in it, or that thing from the cactus that sweetens it better, because I'd rather not have the sugar or the aspartame. But you know what I'm going to do for the taste, and because it says elderberry in it, and it's supposed to be kind of like a generic energy drink and kind of like a V8 or something, I guess. Yeah, it's a little bit sweet. It's a juicy elderberry tasting drink, and you might taste a little bit of the potato or carrot or something in it. I'm going to give this 6.2 out of 10. It's different, it's nice. I only had to pay $1.99 plus tax. Not easy to get, so I only know one place in another town. But yeah, I guess I'll give it 6.2 out of 10. It's nice for trying out, and kicks ass that there's elderberry in it. So, fruity-ish version of like a generic energy drink without tasting like a generic energy drink, but the energy's supposed to play more like it, I guess. So they wanted a bit more fruity and vegetable-y like, as best as they could type deal, I guess. So Wave sugar-free, your 6.2 out of 10 is along that video. Thank you, peace.